Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn computer lesson number 4 more on QBasic. QBasic. It stands for Quick Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Basic is an interpreter, which means it reads every line, translates it and lets the computer execute it before reading another. Each instruction starts with a line number. Now we will take a brief overview of the QBasic interface. The interface has the following features. The current program is displayed in the middle of the screen and covers most of the QBasic. The menu provides most of the operations for the QBasic editor, such as opening a file, pasting text, and searching for a string. Now, opening a file. First step is New. It clears the current program. Open. It loads a program from disk. Save. It saves the current program to disk. Save as. It saves the program but under a different name. Print. It prints the selected text, current window or entire program. Exit. It closes the QBasic interpreter. Editing a file. First step is Cut. It removes the selected text and stores it in the clipboard. Second step is Copy. It copies the text instead of removing it. Paste. It adds the text in the clipboard to the current position of the cursor. Clear. It removes the text without storing it to the clipboard. New sub. It enables you to create a new subroutine. New function. It enables you to create a new function. Viewing the file. Sub. It shows the list of current subroutines and functions. Split. Displays the contents of the current program in two windows. If the window is already split, this hides the second window. Running the file. First step is Start. It executes the current program. Restart. It starts from the beginning. Continue. It continues execution at the current position. Debugging the file. Under debug, we have to follow these steps. First step is processes the next command. Procedure step. It processes the next command but does not show QBasic going inside a subroutine or function. Trace on. It shows the command that is being executed while the program is running. Toggle breakpoint. It sets or removes a breakpoint. Use this to have the QBasic interpreter stop when it reaches a specified line in the program. Clear all breakpoints. It removes all breakpoints in the program. Set next statement allows you continue execution at the specified line. Naming of current program. The file name of the current program is displayed near the top of the screen in the center. You can change the name by selecting Save As on the file menu. QBasic provides a way to execute a command without running the current program. To do so, select the bottom window and press Enter. The status bar is at the bottom of the screen. It displays a short list of commands. When you highlight an item on the menu, the status bar displays a short description of what the item does. Status of caps lock and num lock. If caps lock is set, a C is displayed on the right side of the status bar. If num lock is set, an N is displayed on the right side of the status bar. Current line. On the right side of the status bar, the current line of the cursor is displayed. Current column. On the right side of the status bar, the current column of the cursor is displayed after the current line. Adding documentation to programs. Documenting your programs allows you to remind yourself about something in your program. The REM, that is remark command, enables you to add comments to your program without the text being treated like an instruction. CLS, it prints. You can add REM, that is remark, to the same line as another command by placing a colon after the first instruction. Reading and writing to files. To save data to a file, we have to call open command, which specifies the file name. Use print command followed by the file number and the data which you want to write. Close the file using the close command. Creating graphics in QBasic. QBasic was not means to be a great environment from graphic oriented application. It was meant to be learners language for structured programming as well as basic programming techniques. QBasic can be used for creating graphics such as shapes and pictures. Using data to create graphics, we can follow these steps. First, you have to start off by deciding how large your graphic is. Second step is then changing the QBasic editor from insert using the insert key on your keyboard. You can change the color value of by specifying the color which you desire. The color table is as given below. Types of commands. Now we will see a brief description of some of the commands from drawing simple objects such as points, lines, circles, etc. From that, first is drawing points. The QBasic command to draw a point is pset. Pset will draw the point at specified coordinates. The command preset erases the point at the specified coordinates. Drawing lines. The QBasic command to draw a straight line is line. The command is line will draw the straight line and the command line 10, 50, 40, 80 will draw the straight line joining the points at coordinates 10, 50 and 40, 80 in the color 0. Drawing rectangles. The line command can also be used to draw rectangles. The command line will draw an unfilled rectangle and the last B in the command, it specifies that an unfilled rectangle is to be drawn. Drawing circles. The QBasic command to draw a circle is circle. The command circle 10, 50, 5 will draw the circle whose radius is 5 and the command circle 10, 50, 5, 2 will draw the same circle but in the color 2. Sound effect in QBasic. The sound command produces a sound of a specific frequency. Sound can be produced with beep sound and play with any of these three statements. Beep and sound, it sends the signals to the computer's internal speaker. Using some mathematical functions, QBasic provides some functions to do mathematical calculation. Use SQR to find the square root of a number. Here you will get the output. ABS returns the absolute value of a number. That means ABS converts a negative number to a positive number in the output. You can do the following trigonometric functions in QBasic: cos, sin, tan. For example, print cos and the pi value is divided by number 4. Then print sin, pi value is divided by number 3. And to the right side you can see the output. Here we have finished the lesson. Thank you.